Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something. Why can you understand English but you feel stuck when you speak alone? Why does your mind go blank even when nobody is listening? What if I tell you that speaking alone is not strange, it is powerful? And what if I tell you most people are practicing English alone in the wrong way? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know how to practice English speaking alone. You will feel progress, and you will know what can change in just 7 days. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Why speaking alone works better than you think. Most beginners believe one thing: I need a partner to speak English. But here is the strange part. Many people have partners, and they still cannot speak. This is not your fault. Nobody teaches you this truth. Confidence does not start in conversation. Confidence starts alone. When you speak alone, your brain feels safe. No judgment, no fear, no pressure. Most people never notice this. Your brain learns faster when nobody is watching. You try more, you repeat more, you fail more. And that is good. Here is something surprising. Children talk alone all the time. They repeat words. They copy sounds. They do not worry about mistakes. But adults do the opposite. They wait, they think, they judge themselves, and this is why they feel stuck. Let me tell you something important. You are not bad at English. You are just practicing in a stressful way. Speaking alone removes stress. Your mouth relaxes, your voice changes, your fear becomes smaller. But here's the strange part. Speaking alone is not enough by itself. Talking randomly does not work. There is one method that changes everything. It feels simple, but it is powerful. It is called shadowing. And in the next chapter, I will show you why this method works so well. Chapter 2. What is shadowing and why it changes everything? Shadowing is very simple. You listen and you speak at the same time. That's it. You do not stop the audio. You do not translate. You do not think too much. You follow the voice like a shadow. But here's the strange part. You do not need to understand every word. Yes, you heard that right. Most beginners think understanding comes first, but speaking comes first. Children speak before they understand grammar. They copy sounds, they copy rhythm, they copy speed. Shadowing does the same thing. Here is something surprising. Your mouth learns before your brain. Your tongue learns new moves. Your ears learn real English. Most people never notice this. Accent improves quietly. Fluency grows silently. Shadowing connects three things at once: listening, speaking, confidence. No grammar books, no writing, no memorizing long rules. But here's the strange part. Shadowing feels uncomfortable at first, and that means it is working. If it feels easy, you are not learning. If it feels messy, you are learning fast. Let me show you how to do it correctly. Alone, at home, without pressure. Chapter 3. How to practice shadowing alone, step by step, first step. Choose easy English, slow English, short sentences. Do not choose movies. Do not choose fast speakers. This is a common mistake. Second step, put on your headphones. Play the audio. Now speak with the speaker. Do not pause. Do not stop. You will miss words. That is normal. Here is the strange part. When you feel lost, keep going. Do not become silent. Even broken words are good. Even unclear sounds are good. Your mouth is learning the flow. Most people stop when they feel confused. That is the mistake. Confusion means growth. Third step, speak quietly if you want. No need to shout. No need to be perfect. Your goal is not accuracy. Your goal is movement. Fourth step, repeat the same audio again. One time is not enough. Each time, your mouth feels better. Your voice feels smoother. Let me tell you something important. Do not correct every mistake. Let your brain adjust naturally. This is how real speaking develops. Now, the big question, how long should you do this? Let me show you the 7-day plan. Chapter 4, the 7-day shadowing plan for beginners. Day 1. You feel strange. Your mouth feels heavy. Your mind feels slow. This is normal. Do not quit. Just 10 minutes. That is enough. Day 2. You start catching sounds. Not words, sounds. Your confidence is still low, but something feels different. Day 3 is important. Most people stop here. Why? Because it feels uncomfortable. But here's the strange part. If you continue, something changes. Day 8. Your voice feels lighter. Your mouth moves faster. Day 5. You start predicting words. You speak without thinking. Day 6. English feels less scary. Your fear becomes smaller. Day 7. This is the magic day. You notice one thing. You can speak alone without fear. Not perfect, but free. Most people never reach this day because they stop too early. But if you stay consistent, you unlock confidence. Now, let me warn you, there are mistakes that can slow you down. Let's fix them. Chapter 5. Common shadowing mistakes and how to fix them. First mistake, choosing hard content. Hard English kills confidence. Easy English builds it. Second mistake, speaking too fast. Slow speech creates control. Speed comes later. Third mistake, focusing on grammar. Grammar is not your problem. Fear is your problem. Shadowing fixes fear first. Fourth mistake, being silent when confused. Never stop speaking. Broken English is better than silence. Fifth mistake, judging your accent. Accent improves naturally. Pressure makes it worse. Here is the strange part. When pressure disappears, your voice sounds better. Most people quit because they expect perfection. But progress is messy. Let your English be messy. It will become smooth. Now, let me show you the real result. What truly changes after 7 days? Chapter 6. What changes after 7 days of speaking alone? After 7 days, you feel different. You are not afraid of your own voice. You stop hiding from English. You speak without translating. You speak without panic. Your sentences come faster. Your pauses become shorter. Most importantly, you feel ready. Ready to speak with others. Ready to make mistakes. Ready to improve. Here is the strange part. Nothing magical happened. You just removed fear. And fear was the real problem. This is where confidence begins. Not in conversation, but alone. If you keep shadowing, English becomes part of you. Not something to fear, but something to use. And now, it is your turn. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. New English practice videos are coming. Like this video if you want confidence. Comment 7 days if you will start shadowing today. Your journey starts now.